This air fryer egg on toast has become my morning favorite. It is seriously the easiest air fryer breakfast I have made. Just a few ingredients and about 7 minutes of cooking time. The bread gets golden and crispy while the egg cooks perfectly in the center. No need to flip it and hardly any mess to clean up. To make this air fryer egg on toast, spread some room temperature butter on both sides of your bread slice. In this video, I'm using regular white bread, but honestly, you can use any bread you have at home. Whole wheat, sourdough, or even a slice of French bread all work fine. Next, use a small round cup or small bowl to gently press down in the middle of the bread to create a small dip in the center, as you see me doing here. This makes a spot for your egg to sit in without running off. If the dip is not deep enough, press it down a bit more with the back of a spoon. Next, place the bread slice in the air fryer basket before cracking one egg on it. My air fryer is a bit small, so I need to cook them one by one, but luckily it doesn't take long, so I can still make breakfast for everyone without waiting too long. Putting the bread in first makes it easier since it would be hard to put it in the basket if the runny egg is on top of the bread already. Be careful not to break the yolk as you crack the egg on the bread. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper on top of the egg. I also like to add a dash of chili flakes, but you can really use whatever seasonings you enjoy with eggs. Garlic powder, Italian herbs, or even a bit of cheese would work well too. Now, carefully place the basket in the preheated air fryer. Cook for 7 minutes at 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 196 degrees Celsius for a runny yolk. If you prefer a firm yolk, cook for 9 minutes instead. You'll get perfectly crispy bread with your egg, cooked exactly how you like it. And your air fryer egg on toast is ready. It has crispy edges, buttery flavor, and a perfect egg in the middle. I make this easy air fryer breakfast a lot because it's quick and so simple, and my kids love it, and my husband loves it. If you want to try some more easy air fryer breakfast recipes, then check out this super simple air fryer omelet recipe here. You just dump everything in the air fryer basket and you don't need to flip anything. It cooks perfectly every time.